Aloha guys, and welcome back to another episode on our channel. Switch of plans today. Got Uncle to drive the car while I step back and start filming from a different angle. So I'm here. We're taking water to the farm. Uncle's driving, and also gonna try and transport some tiapula or Taro planting material to the new plot we're hoping to plant tomorrow. We're wati, and Uncle's gonna try and finish that up tomorrow, so hopefully we'll get it done. And yeah, hopefully get some content tomorrow. If not, then we can get an after a post production video setup. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. In case you guys didn't know, this is what we call an oso. What he's showing you, the oso. This is what we use to plant taro. So that's the side where we push in, where we plant. That's the side that's towards the soil, and then we make a hole, try and dig a hole with it, and then after that we put the taro down in the hole that we use the oso to create. So we're on our way now to the plantation. Take the water again for the cows, and also bring up the tiapula to the plots where we've cleared, also prepared for planting tomorrow. So the forecast is not looking too good. I think we've got a bit of rain coming down tonight, and also forecast tomorrow and this week is going to be a lot of raining, so we might not get some footage for tomorrow during the planting session, but we might get some footage later on once we come check up a day or two later. This is our plot we're hoping to plant tomorrow. As I mentioned last week, it's looking at about 10,000, but hopefully we could probably get away with 5,000-6,000. So yeah, Uncle and Wati were able to get around 3,000 from our existing crops at the moment, our existing taro plantation. So the suckers, so we're going to pick them up now and bring them up towards this area. under that under those coconut leaves. We have the tiapula set for tomorrow for planting, and roughly 2,000 to 3,000 under the field. We'll just go take the water for the cows first, and then we'll come back and grab those. So done now here with the cows. Gonna go take the tiapula up to the new plot where we're hoping to plant tomorrow. What is coming to New Zealand, to Hastings, you know, no apples. That's the first lot down there. So we're moving on to just a little higher up on that side to place another, so it's easier for our boys tomorrow to plant. So that's our last order. That's our last tiapula dropped off for that plot tomorrow. And now we're gonna head home. I know the content was pretty short today, but I wanted to document this as well, because this is another important thing, is timing the suckers or the tiapula. Best time to remove them from the mother plant and then start planting for optimum corn yield. So guys, hope you enjoyed the short content we had. Feel free to like, comment and subscribe, and yeah, hope we see you guys in the next channel. Just want to thank you again for subscribing and also liking our channel. Really helped us grow in the past few months, so really appreciate it, guys. But that's it from us, and we'll see you again next time.